Okay, let's dive into turning scripts into videos, all with AI automation.
So, you want to make pro videos without ever being on camera? It's totally possible.
Here's the entire system in 5 easy steps. Let's walk through it.
All right, step 1 is the AI voice. This is basically the backbone of your whole video.
Pro tip, chop your script into small bits. This makes the AI voice sound way more human.
Okay, voice is done. Now for the fun part, finding the visuals to match.
This is huge. Don't just show what you're saying, show the feeling behind it.
And if you really want to go fast, AI video tools will do all this for you automatically.
Step 3, editing. This is where you make sure people actually stick around and watch.
Think background music, subtitles, maybe some simple zooms. It makes a huge difference.
And here's the magic formula. You gotta have something new on screen every few seconds.
Next up, thumbnails, because a great video is useless if nobody clicks on it, right?
The trick is big, punchy text, and a simple, emotional picture. It just works. Okay, the last step. How do we turn all this work into actual channel growth?
Here's the hack. Take one long video and chop it into 3 or more shorts. Easy content.
So, that's the whole process. Script, voice, visuals, edit, and upload. Super straightforward.
Master this, and you've basically built yourself an automated YouTube channel. It's a game changer.
So now you have the system. The real question is, what are you going to build with it?